Alright, today I have a Whirlpool dishwasher and I'm going to show you the importance of using a rinse aid. Right here I have Finish Rinse Aid made by Jet Dry. It dries dishes and prevents spots. Now, if you have problems with your dishes not being dry after you wash the dishes, it may be because you don't have enough rinse aid. So I'm going to show you how to fill it up in this particular model right here. You definitely need this. You will have cleaner looking dishes and they will be dry and not dripping wet after you finish. So what I do is I open it up and I put my finger over the top to try to keep it from spilling all over the place. But even doing that, as you can see, doesn't really work. I'm spilling it all over the place. So I'm going to try to aim for the hole, but it may not go all the way in there right there. So I'm just going to fill it up. The important thing is that my dishes get dry. So I'm going to pour it in, close it. But I think I forgot to show you something. So with this dishwasher, there is a knob that you can turn up to dispense more. I believe if you take it all the way up to 4 or the higher number, it dispenses more, or down to 1, which will save you some rinse aid. Either way, I keep it in the middle around 2, and that's how you fill the dishwasher with rinse aid. Whirlpool. Let me know if you have any questions.